My name is Jacoby Brios and this is my assessment Work Placement 2 Practical 46. These are the notes that I'm going to be referring to. Today I have to perform a basic TPR examination. That's temperature, pulse and respiration rate. I'll just grab my equipment, stethoscope, slip lead. I've got my patient chart to write all my things on. Grab a thermometer, a timer, some lube for the thermometer, and my gloves for PPE. Once all my equipment's prepared, I'll go grab Lucy out of the cage. She's our spay for today. Using the slip lead. Hi, sweetie. Coming into the cage calmly. She's pretty sleepy, and she's a nice little dog. She's wagging her tail and pretty docile. She's got her head down. Grab her out. Bringing her over to the treatment table. Hey, good girl. Hey. Starting with taking her heart rate. Her heart rate should be between 60 and 140, depending on the size of the dog or the cat. Taking it on the left side, because that's the side her heart is, and I'll be able to hear it more clearly. Counting for 15 seconds. That's 29, and just 29 times 4, which is 116. Making sure I'm writing that on her chart. Just where it says heart rate. And then I'll count her respiration rate for 15 seconds as well. For more accuracy, you can count for 30 seconds, but for this demonstration, I'll just do 15. And 7 plus 15 seconds times by 4, which is 28, and just writing that on the chart as well where respiration rate is. Alright, next got some help from my colleague here just to hold Lucy so there's no risk of her jumping off the table while I'm putting on my PPE. I'm wearing PPE for the temperature so we don't get any contamination. Right. Making sure we open a new lube packet for each animal. Some 38.2, and writing that on our chart. So we know that temperatures can vary between 38.3 and 39.2, and respiration wise it's 15 to 30 breaths per minute. And we can conclude that Lucy is within those normal ranges because her respiration is 28 and her temp is 38.3. Just cleaning my equipment with some Safe 4, which is mixed up in the AJAX bottle, and some paper towel. And wiping all the surfaces that touch the animal and me. The next use, and storing up on our hook up there. And then same with the thermometer. And storing back in our 4-hex solution. Just cleaning my workbench area. I'll of what I used, disposing of any rubbish. And my workbench area is just a wet bench, so just put the towel in the washing, and if it's soiled, let it soak or take off any feces or anything like that, and put it in the wash and grab a new towel.